Today I will be showing you how to make healthy chickpea filling for pita bread or wraps. You will need brown or white pita bread, grated carrot, grated cabbage, 1 tin chickpeas. Add half a teaspoon oil and some cumin seeds. After that, add grated cabbage and your grated carrots. Mix it well. After adding carrot and cabbage, stir it for 2 minutes, then add chickpeas, sesame seed, paprika powder and salt to taste. Again, mix it very well. On the other side, get your pita bread ready. Once it's ready, open your pita bread and fill in the chickpea filling. That's how you can make very simple chickpea filling to use for pita bread or wraps.